A common question that I get is, can I install my own camera system? And the answer is, yeah, sure. Why not? Right? It's not hard to drill holes and mount cameras and do the things, but there's a few things to consider. Number one, if you're going with like a coax system, which is going to be like a Siamese cable or a coax cable, that's going to be super simple. It's pretty much plug and play and off you go. If you are going with an IP networking camera system, there's a couple of different ways that you're going to be doing this. You can build that as a plug and play and off you go type of system where you're just going for the cameras right into a PoE and VR and then to a monitor, and that's easy peasy. It's going to be a similar setup to a coax system. But if you're looking at actually dropping these on switches and utilizing a local area network to do this, then a few things you just want to consider before you decide to do it on your own. Number one, do you have the know-how of how to create a local area network? And do you have the switches in place for this local area network to make all of this work? If you are confident, like, oh, I do this all the time, I've got it under control, then you have a green light. If you are like, well, I've dabbled a little bit here and there, and you're kind of confident, kind of not confident, then you kind of have a yellow light. And what that means is I want you to think about before you purchase and move forward with a purchase from anybody, not just Opticom necessarily. I want you to just think about who's in your back pocket for if you get into a jam. Who is an IT company that you can call and say, hey, I need you to send a network guy out here. I have having some hiccups. I need help finding X, Y, or Z, or whatever you could potentially come into that you're just not going to know how to move forward with. You just want to make sure you've got somebody there because I don't want you to start a project that you can't finish because you don't have someone to help you. Now, we're here for tech support and we'll support you as best as we can, but when it comes to the IT networking part of it, it really is great to have somebody there that's building out your system to support with the infrastructure to support the cameras that you have. Now, if you're like, what's a network? And I don't really know what you're talking about, Heidi, you have a red light. And the red light means that we need to find somebody that can help you. And the what we can do with that is you're welcome to call our office and let us know where you're located. And we have got people that we've worked with for years, installers across the US and across Canada. We've got distributors that we've worked with for years in Canada and the US that we can probably phone a couple people and find one or two people that we could refer out to you. And hopefully they'd be able to help you get everything set up for your system. So call our office or you're welcome to hop on our website at www.opticomtech.com. And we've got a link on there with a calendar and you can just set up a time to chat with somebody from our office. I hope that this helps and I hope you have a great day.